Alrighty, y'all, we are headed back home to Fayetteville. Just saying goodbye to the dogs now. They're all just chilling. Bye-bye, buddy. Bye-bye, Reb. Rhett, you have a good one? Rye. Ruben's got a stick over there. Bye-bye, Ruben. And then Belle's over there somewhere. Whoop, look at that. That little weasel. We'll see y'all in just a little bit. We're loading up right now. Headed back to Fayettetown. Get some coffee. Let's do it. Whoa, good morning there, good looking.
Hi.
Coffee time. Alright, y'all, we're at a rest stop. I just picked up some Teavana unsweetened tea. Ingredients are brewed tea with water, green teas, apple, rose hips, licorice roots, hibiscus, lemongrass, natural flavors, and citric acid. 0 calories, 0 carbs. It's not cold, I just got it off the shelf, but it's pretty good as far as unsweetened teas go. So this whole no sugar thing's working out quite nicely thus far. Crystal's even no sugar in her coffee.
Yeah, and I like it.
You like it?
I am pleasantly surprised at how delicious coffee can be without sweetener. And I'm also doing a lot of unsweetened, like bubbly water too.
You just got to have enough heavy cream in the coffee to take away the bitterness of it. But yeah, sweeteners, like, I don't know, once you remove sweeteners, like, you just have so much more, you're just so much more in tune with what your taste buds would naturally pick up, which is pretty cool, actually. So, back on the road. Alrighty, y'all, we just made it back to Fayetteville. The van did beautifully. I'm really enjoying that thing, not gonna lie, y'all. Anyhow, I got some new podcasting equipment. I'm about to set that up real quick, see what it looks like. Here we go. Alright, y'all, so normally I had my little microphone stand. I use a Blue Yeti mic for podcasting. My microphone sits right here. I take it to USB mic, so I take this around, set it on a desktop, plug it in to my computer, and boom. But check this out. I just upgraded to this beast with a shock mount. I'm gonna get like a little pop filter on here as well. This thing is fully adjustable. I mount that on my desk, talking to my microphone like so. What's up? This is Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and today we have another special guest, and her name is Crystal, or something like that, you know. So very excited about this. This will be cool. I got a new microphone too. This is the old microphone. I got a new microphone, but it won't be in until probably later this week. So I'm excited to start getting some podcast episodes knocked out with this upgrade. Get ready. Alright, y'all, just finished doing a Deeper State Keto live Q&A. It was great. Always a pleasure to connect with y'all. Headed to meet up with my accountant right now. Going through the jungle that is the path to my van. I'm excited about this meeting. This will be the first time I met with him. So yeah, let's do it. The meeting with the accountant went wonderfully. I arrived to this huge box. Never ordered anything from Simple Grocers, so I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. I know what this is, y'all. Get ready. Alright, so Peterson Farms, or Peterson Farms. They were at KetoCon. Super awesome products. They just hooked me up. So I've got spicy breakfast sausage links. The cool thing about all these is they're like totally keto friendly. There's no, quit licking your lips, Crystal. There's no like nitrates, no sugars, no maltodextrins, no molasses. So we got spicy breakfast links and 8 grams of fat, 7 grams of protein. We've got no sugar added, uncured, dry rub bacon. 8 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein. Really clean ingredients. We have uncured, no sugar added hickory smoked bacon. Again, no MSGs, no lactose, no gluten. 2 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein. So super excited about this one. Excited about all these. We got Italian ground sausage. Awesome. 11 grams of fat, 9 grams of protein. We have chorizo, 11 and 9. And we have kielbasa sausages, 11 and 9 as well. So I'm about to dig in, y'all. Good stuff. Thank you, Peterson Farms. I'm digging it. Well, hello, and welcome to the show. Just got done recording a podcast with Josh Peralt of Peterson Farms Meats. That's going to go live on Friday. Speaking of meat, right now I'm eating my beef liver, my sausage, and olives with some mayo. Primal Kitchen mayo. So this has been like about 3 or 4 days since I started really getting clean with the foods I eat, really nutrient-dense foods. And I feel a difference after just these few days. It's kind of crazy. I've removed all sweeteners. Crystal's removed all sweeteners. How do you feel, Crystal? Better?
I feel really good. And honestly,
You don't miss them?
Yeah, I don't miss them.
She didn't miss the sweeteners. I feel really good. I feel much cleaner. Also, this is like the first week where I've stuck with my macros pretty much the whole way through the DSK. This is the first week I've been able to I've made excuses, but the first week where I've just eaten the same meals each week, and then as the macros change next week, I'll have a variation of those meals, but it'll be the same meals each day. That makes a huge difference. Eating the same foods each week, like prepping your foods, eating the same foods, and then switching the week when your macros change. I mean, that just removes so many variables from the equation, and you're going to be able to really fine-tune kind of what your body's responding to and why. So, highly, highly encourage that. Also, today, we are pretty much going through the house, cleaning everything, getting organized. So we didn't train today. We're going to train legs tomorrow. Also, tomorrow I want to talk about kind of reversing out of a diet. I've had several people ask me about that, so that's going to be the main topic for tomorrow's vlog, more than likely, legs and reverse dieting. But yeah, main takeaway today is hit your freaking macros with consistent food groups. I know that's not always easy, especially if you're traveling, but if you prep your foods, that makes a world of difference. So, highly encourage you to do that. But yeah, it's pretty much the main takeaway for today. So that's the news we got going on. Tomorrow, legs and how to reverse diet. Let's do it. See y'all then.